Good evening, Meal Masters, and welcome to the Dr. Monique May Show. I am your host, Dr. Monique May, your board-certified family physician who you know as the founder of the Physician in the Kitchen. And through my home meal delivery service, cookbooks, and cooking utensils, I help busy households enjoy healthy eating without impacting their busy schedules. So tonight I'm coming to you live. Tonight we're doing part 2 of the Thanksgiving meal prep special, right? So Thanksgiving, as you know, is in 2 weeks. 2 weeks and one night from tonight, we will be sitting down across the country to give thanks and enjoy our many blessings, and hopefully surrounded by friends and loved ones. And so we're talking about getting ready for the big day, what you can do now to offload your plate, so to speak, in a couple of weeks. So last week we talked about having the sides ready, what you can do to prepare the side dishes and get those out the way for prep. So tonight we're going to talk a little bit about just those desserts. So desserts are, well, before I get into that, be sure to share this with your friends, tag anyone you think might need this helpful information, and please be sure to leave comments or questions in the chat below. I'd love to keep the conversation going and hear what you guys are thinking and planning. Share with me your plans as well. So tonight, just talking about desserts. So as you guys know, I am the sweet potato queen. I have my sweet potato pound cake. I have a nice, healthy, vegan and gluten-free version. For those of you who have had the original, you know. So I came out with a healthy version. So of course that's going to be featured on my table this year. So, but that just kind of got me, just thinking, what about other desserts? What can people do now to make their Thanksgiving holiday less stressful? So cakes are great to go ahead and make in advance. They freeze very well. You can also do your pies, of course, your tarts. You can even do your cobblers. So any kind of cheesecakes, any of that stuff is going to be fine to go ahead and do that now and freeze it. Make sure you've got plenty of room in your freezer. Make sure you label everything. You want to wrap it, airtight so that it doesn't get freezer burn. So, but you can go ahead and start getting those ready now. You can also think about alternative treats or desserts such as bars or cookies. We don't typically think of those always, but homemade treats are delicious in whatever form they come in. And those are easier to make, and you can actually store those in airtight containers and they'll maintain their freshness. Things like banana pudding, you probably want to wait and make that closer to the actual day, but anything else you can go ahead and make in advance. So I just wanted to get on and just share with you a little bit of advice on how you can prep, and by getting those desserts out the way, you can check one more thing off your list. If you're into making your own sorbet or ice cream, that's another one that you can go ahead and make and put it in the freezer and it'll be ready to go for you. So I am going to share with you a picture or footage of what I've been doing. I've took my own advice, and this is my sweet potato pound cake that I was telling you guys about. It smells so good. I can't even begin to describe it. The nutmeg and cinnamon just really smell like the holidays. It smells so good. So of course, I'm going to be freezing this one. I'm going to wrap it in saran wrap and then with aluminum foil to make sure it's nice and protected. So this one is not going to come back out until Thanksgiving. I'll even put a glaze on there. You can have it plain, but if you like a little extra, you can do a nice either maple syrup glaze, or even got a nice bowl of oranges here. Orange glaze goes very well with a pumpkin or a sweet potato pound cake. So this is what it looks like when it's cut. I just wanted you guys to see the texture. This is gluten-free. Look at that. So this is the same cake that was a big hit at homecoming a few weeks ago. And it pairs well with a nice cup of tea, coffee. It's really a nice companion to any holiday table. So be sure to place your orders if you're interested at www.physicianinthekitchen.net. I am taking orders now, but you can, whatever you want to serve on your table, go ahead and think about getting it done so you don't have to worry about it later. So this has been the Dr. Monique May Show. Thank you so much for watching. Again, be sure to share or tag your friends. Post any questions or comments you have below. So my name is Dr. Monique May, your board certified family physician and founder of Physician in the Kitchen. And please be sure to tune in next week when we do our third and final installment, which will, of course, will be about the turkey, right? So tune in next week to find out what you can do to get that turkey ready for the big day. So until next week, then that'll be next Wednesday at 8 p.m. So until next week, this is Dr. Monique May, Physician in the Kitchen, signing out.